and I have people that is selling for me too.
And she has plenty cows, so plenty cows.
I have people that is selling for me too. Yeah. Most times I do make my business online. Any business that your parents is doing, even if it is vegetable, don't call it common, because nothing is common now.
maka kosi bụ ezigbo nwa zụrụ azụ, o si n'ezinụlọ dị asọ wee pụta, and nwa na-agbasi mbọ ike, ịchọ na skuul ọ nọ na skuul, ịchọ na-achọ ọ nọ na-achọ, ọ dị na nwata bụrụ ọgaranya, nwa ego na-erubere isi.
Na obi dị m aṅụrị na nwa m nwaanyị echela ndị ọgbọ anọ Nnewi anyị enwere graduate very soon oyiri kaki onye bịa kwueri ere were oyibo sụkwa ya
ka o si anyị fụrụ kịta graduate taa onye akịta bụ ezigbo ọyị mgbụrụ nwa m and onye adị youngest Ogbuefi anyị mere n'ori agba and gia na-agba mbọ na-agbasi mbọ ike ihe o mere taa tụrụ m n'anya because I'm so happy.
Our youngest Ogbuefi deke n'ụbọchị taa o mere final exam ya taa n'agbanyeghị etu Nigeria si were kịta mana nwatakịrị agbara mbọ
onye ọbụla ma ya because all the hard working ọ malife too much and afụtụbe m ọgbọ ya bụ Ogbuefi ya nwa bụ the youngest lady gburu efi.
Hello Nnewi, welcome back. Today we are in Oriabo Market in Nnewi, Anambra State, and I guess you can recognize this face. Some time ago in November last year, I came here and I showed you guys the youngest Ogbuefi that we have in Nnewi in Anambra State, and if possible in Nigeria, Ogbuefi Kosiso. So today, she is graduating from school. She did her final exams today, and she has come to the market to celebrate, for we to celebrate with her, because it's not an easy feat after all these years. Having to go to school and being in business is not easy. Even at her young age, she was able to do it. So, Kosiso, how do you feel today?
Greetings, everybody. I thank God. I thank God for everything. 6 years is not 6 days. It's not rice and beans, throw and flow. Sometimes, anyway, I don't used to be in Nnewi. I used to be in school. Maybe during vacation period or other things, I will come back to Nnewi and sell my cows, because sometimes they used to take care of the cow for me, and I have people that is selling for me too.
And she has plenty cows, so plenty cows.
I have people that is selling for me too. Most times I do make my business online. I do deliver to people. That's it. But it's not easy, Sha. It's not easy. Nigeria stuff and everything self. Let me say my parents and other things. I thank God for it. God did everything. I'm so glad. I say all thanks to God. If not him, 6 years is very, very hard for me, but thank God.
Yeah, so today you are graduating.
Yes.
What can you tell young people out there? You know, we are in an age where young people don't believe that there is no job, that there are jobs out there, because there is no job out there, of course, that's the reality. But they don't believe that in spite of all the hardship, how the country is, that they can survive. And now you are such a big inspiration to the people out there. What do you have to tell young guys there, young girls there, especially the girls? What do you have to say to them?
My advice to them is that you should be hardworking. Let me say, when in a family now, let me say in my own family, I learned it from my dad and my mom, because this is their business, their line of business. Once you come back from school, you join them. That's how I learned everything. And I was able to calm down and learn the business very well. And it really helped me a lot, because I bought my textbooks, everything from this business. I pay my school fees from this business. That's it. I'm even advising everyone, any business that your parents is doing, even if it is vegetable, don't call it common, because nothing is common now. You put it in your own digital way. then everything will be okay. Because I do post it online, I do post it on my WhatsApp, I do deliver anywhere. I do buy food stuff for people and both me itself. I will package everything. I will deliver it to the person. That's it. I advise everybody, even if anything that your parents is doing, that you should just put eyes inside.
learn the work.
To learn the work. Learn it. Just pray to God. God will surely help you.
So you have all heard it from Ogbuefi Kosi. So guys, let's just celebrate with her. Today is a day of celebration.
Yes.
And thank you. We are really glad and happy that you are able to achieve this feat. It's not an easy one.